Hi everyone. In this video I want to show you different sounds and vibrations using tuning forks and how you can experiment by making a miniature string instrument and checking it with a phone app. Let's get started. Can you hear that? Okay, let's check the frequencies with this free Soprano Hawaiian ukulele app that I got off of Google Play Store. So let's check each one. This one is, you might notice that these have weights up here. These are called weighted tuning forks. They're different from the regular ones for music. These are for health, and I'm not going to get into the health benefits of tuning forks and frequencies. This one's for the solar plexus at 126.22. And the reason I got these is because they're marked like this, and I can use it for this type of demonstration. So let's take a look. I'll put an app to the medical benefits in the direction part of this video if you're interested, but that's not the purpose of this video. Okay, so remember 126.22, it'll get close, I think. 126.5. So it varies as the intensity. Okay, so that one was solar plexus. Here's one for the heart. It's 136.10. $135.5. So it's close. I got to get the vibration or hit it just right because the vibration does vary. Okay, let's just go down to this one. 141. Throat. 141. This one, crown, 172. There it is, I saw it flicker. Root, 194. 193.5. I should have quit while I was ahead. Whoop. I get a little clumsy. Here we go. This one, sacral, 0.42. This one, the last one, the soul heart, 272.20. 2715. 271.5. Close enough. Vibrations and sound are used everywhere. For weapons, for medicine, and for fun and enjoyment, such as music. I prefer the fun part. In my next video, I will explore vibrations and sound with strings. See you next time.